Hey, what's up, you guys? It's your boy, that boy Jay. Came in to start another video, working on the car. Gotta get old Biddy right. Summer's around the corner. I know I'm not gonna have it done by then, but still, I can push her down the street. But anyway, I'm getting ready to send her down, and you guys stay tuned and check it out.
It's time to ride, I pull out on the scene real fast. Pull out real fast. It's time to ride, I pull out on the scene real fast. Long as I wake up in the morning, I'ma get a bag. Get a bag, yeah, I'ma get a bag. Long as I wake up in the morning, I'ma get a bag. Get a bag, yeah, I'ma get a bag. This for my homies that be grinding all the time, This for my homies that be grinding all the time.
What's up, you guys? So we back, and I'm kind of sad right now because we ran into some problems. This part right here, this ain't gonna cut it. I was informed by one of my friends that I need to get a grinder to do all this. I thought that we could just like grind it off with that. So it's basically not working. So I'm a little sad. I was able to get this little side done. That was a little work on it, but yeah, so that's why it's been kind of hard to have like content, you know, me just starting off. And it's super cold outside. I don't know if you can see my little hoopty. It's frozen. It's getting crazy out here in Austin. But hopefully I have some more content for you guys. I also had a question for you guys. I do want to do a coyote swap, and I want to start getting this body prepared. I need for you guys to comment on here and tell me what I need to do. Yeah. Hey, I hope you guys liked the video. Stay tuned for more. Always remember to wear a mask while you're sanding your car down. Peace.